I wish someone could fight me, bro. I'll beat them up.
Get out of here. Hey, are you touching my brother?
My name's get out of here. Goodbye.
Special technique. Sleeping cupcake. Now let's take him. Let's take him over here.
Both of you guys.
It didn't work. You'll be sleeping. Oh.
You're dead. Come here.
Don't do this.
Get out of here. Man, that was very easy. Especially me because I'm a wolf. I thought you were dead.
Die like that? I won't just flop on the floor and roll over.
Oh! Oh! That's it.
Special technique.
That's it. I'm done.
Oh no.
Dual weapons.
Oh no.
Domain expansion.
He hit me in the face.
Domain expansion. Infinite slice.
Oh. Oh.
Malevolent strike.
This is not, bro.
This is not JJK, bro. Sleeping cupcake. Oh. Oh. That's it.
I gotta get out of here.
Wake up to this.
Get out of here. Beware of your surroundings, kids.
Watch out.
I told you to leave me alone.
I'm fine.
Idiots. Thanks for watching our fighting scene. It's the first one. Part 2 is coming soon. Subscribe. We worked hard.